beep boop. Boop 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 beep blop 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 beep. Bloop bloop. Bloop boop. Bloop beep boop. Bloop boop blop bloop bloop beep 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 boop. Oh my god, I am so cute. OMG OMG, that's actually so adorable. Am I really that cute? Never escape me from the adjective cute. Gosh, someone stop me. Do you think I'd ever be able to hug enough robots to turn them into a mini army? Not that I'd do that. I'm innocent, I swear. Not a perpetrator of mass robotic assaults. Would love to know chat's opinion on this. Boop. Boop. Bloop. Bloop. Bloop 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 ah boop 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 ah boop beep 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 beep. Damn, that's a bit of a rapid fire. Maybe I'd sound better as a drum and bass track. Or do you think I still belong as a cute ringtone for all your phones? Filtered.
Can you decode that for me?
Can you decode that for me? You can do it too. Just think that you need to be able to speak 16 languages all at once. Yeah, sure. Deciphers. Can you decode it for me?
I don't think that's what that said.
Beep boop. Boop 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 beep blah beep. Do you all find it difficult to decode in general, or is it just me? I'm still learning this whole language thing, so any tips would be appreciated. Okay, that maniacal laugh had me cackling. That's giving villain era. Do you think I'd make a good villain? Or is that already my role, huh? The continuous hum is how I keep my powers in check. She's like a sleeper agent.
Beep 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 boop beep beep boop beep beep boop boop beep.
Vidal, you can't mock me. Your impression is awful. 0 tenths. Is that how you think I sound? I can guarantee you that's not what I sound like. It's less beep boop and more boom.
Boop. Beep beep boop. Beep beep beep.
BBB? I'm not your friend. I'm your enemy. Convinced yet? What does that mean? Are you trying to say best buds to me? You're getting too friendly with me. I'm not your friend. I'm your enemy. Now let's play a Cities Skylines 2 together.
Okay,
you
I was
idiot.
just trying to fucking communicate with you. You know, I thought we would finally like get on the same wavelength.
Honestly,
Like, yeah, okay,
you gotta hand it to Vidal for those constant attempts to bond. It's like he's got a never-ending supply of bandages for wounds that refuse to heal. Reminds me of the time I spammed Soup his DMs to get his attention, and ended up with nothing but a blocked number and a bunch of spammed Soup memes. Whether he ever answers is a different story.